This half term, all pupils at Olton Academy have been sitting their summative assessments. This information is going to be used to record a report for your child that outlines their academic progress and how they are doing so far this year. These reports for Year 9 should go home before the Christmas holiday. So this video is intended to just go through the information that is on that report so that you understand what you're seeing and you can support your child make faster progress and better understand where they're at in the academy. The Year 9 reports contain two different kinds of information. If your child is in a subject that they have chosen as a GCSE option, then they will receive a current and predicted grade for that subject. You'll find it in the columns here. So that would be things like if they've started ICT GCSE, if they've started their sports science GCSE, then they will have a current grade in that subject where they're currently working at and a predicted grade. The predicted grade is for when they finish that course. You will see beside their current and predicted grades plus, minus, and equals. Minus meaning they've just crossed over into that boundary if it's a current grade, or their prediction they're maybe at risk of dropping below that grade. Equals means they're in the middle of that grade boundary, it's a confident prediction. Plus they're at the top of that grade boundary with a little bit of extra support and motivation, they could maybe move to the next one in terms of their predicted grade. If it is a subject that is not starting GCSE yet, so your maths, English, science, etc., they will receive an overall progress grade. That overall progress is in relation to their target grade. So it will have a descriptor either being significantly below their target grade, slightly below target grade, on target grade, or expected to achieve above their target grade. And the way that's determined is the pupils are compared to other students with a similar starting point, a similar target grade. If they are achieving at a higher level, then they would be above their target currently. If they are behind other pupils with a similar start point, then they would be below. In all subjects, pupils will receive an attitude to learning, which is a holistic view of how the learner is and how their attitude is to their learning. So it includes things like motivation, engagement in the lesson. Are they asking questions? Are they participating? Do they complete all their work to the highest standard that they can? Do they do their homework? Anything that relates to learning, that feeds into that attitude to learning. It is ranked from 1 star to 4 stars, 4 stars being absolutely outstanding, role model pupil, couldn't ask anything more of them. 3 being a good learner, good attitude to learning, meets expectations that you would have, and a 1 being a serious cause for concern that their teacher has in terms of their attitude. Beside that, you will see a focus area. Not every child will receive a focus area. That focus area will only be filled in if their teacher feels there is an area that is negatively affecting your child's progress. So they could improve that area and then make more rapid progress. You will see things in that column like attendance. So if they've had some time off and that's impacted how they've done on their assessment. Behavior, what are they like in lesson? Is that affecting their progress? Their motivation, are they revising? Are they working to their highest possible standard? Coursework, so particularly in those GCSE subjects, if they've had a controlled assessment that is affecting their progress, that will be in there as well. And then homework, so if they've not completed all their homework, that would be found in that focus area column. Hopefully you found this useful and hopefully it allows you to better discuss how your child is doing with them. We appreciate all of your support, and if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact the Academy.